Mauricio with Morris Trucking right here. Ready to save you guys some money. I just did. Talking about the drag link today, connected to your steering box. If you look over here, I already have it on. This is a new one right here, and I mean, I'm tugging on it, trying to twist it, and it is super tight. So back to me. I'm gonna post a video after this segment, and it's gonna show you what it looks like if yours is bad. It's gonna have a lot of play, but the tools that you need for this, pretty simple. You need any impact will do. I like the Milwaukee one. Got a 33mm for the nut that's on there. Some WD-40, some of this to clean your hands in case you don't wear gloves. And this is the most important tool right here. Don't try to use a push pulley because it doesn't work. So you get rid of you take the cotter pins off. I want to demonstrate this just because right now everything's new and mine was original. It was all corroded, but the cotter pin, pretty much you got to straighten this out and you pull it out this way, and then unless you take the nut off. So after you take the cotter pin off and you take the nut off, then all you gotta do is bang it pretty hard here, 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 and then beat the hell out of it right here, out this way, and it'll come out. Same thing on this side. Hit it a couple times here, on this side hard, and then put the nut on it and hit it, and it should come off very easily after that. I'm gonna post a video, like I said, after this video, showing you how bad the play on my drag link was. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or anything, comment below. I'll try to help you out.